Ciao ragazzi, sono la prof e adesso vi spiego come si fa il passato remoto. The passato remoto is in the indicative mode and it goes together with the passato prossimo in the sense that they are both specific. They do the beginning and end, change of emotion, so our bocces as we know them. One time, interruption. The big difference is actually where it is set in time. The passato prossimo is set closer in time, closer to the present, but always in the past. The passato remoto is more remote, more far away. In Italy, however, I think it is fair to say that in the north, the passato remoto is less used than in the south. So there's just a matter of regional preference. In the written language, we use the passato remoto a lot, not everybody, and it's either to tell stories, things that happened in history, or a long time ago, or for fairy tales. You will need to learn the passato remoto only for recognition, and here it is. So you keep the root. The leading vowel here is very important in most of them. Where it betrays you is right here, but otherwise you can follow the leading vowel. Okay, so amai, amasti, amo, amammo, amaste, amarono. Scrivei, scrivesti, scrive, scrivemmo, scriveste, scriverono. Dormii, dormisti, dormì, dormimmo, dormiste, dormirono. Just really quickly, this looks a lot like the conditional, right? Immo. And I always told you with two M's, otherwise it looks like the future. But the big difference, please pay attention, is that with the conditional, the root was only removing the E. So that would have been scriveremmo. This is scrivemmo. Okay, so pay attention to that because that might get you a little confused. Same with this one. Scrivereste is the conditional. So make sure it all has to do with the root. It's very important that you memorize the endings because in Italian, oftentimes the subject is omitted. So if you don't know what ending corresponds to what subject, then you'll be in trouble. We have a list of irregular verbs. Surprise, surprise. So, essere, which is one of the pillars of our language, essere. The verb to be, fui, fosti, fu, fummo, foste, furono. Dare is to give, dire is to say. Now, with these two, I'm just worried that you might get them confused, that you think this one is this one and this one might be this one. So just pay extra attention to these two. Diedi, desti, diede, demmo, deste, diedero, dissi, dicesti, disse, dicemmo, diceste, dissero. Fare. Feci, facesti, fece, facemmo, faceste, fecero. Stetti, stesti, stette, stessimo, steste, stessero, to stay, and avere. Ebbi, avesti, ebbe, avemmo, aveste, ebbero. So there is a sense that first person, third person, and third person are similar, you see, in their irregularity, and then these are the ones left. That's very highly applicable to the following list of verbs, which is regular, except for first, third, and third. Conoscere, conobbi, io conobbi, tu conoscesti, lui conobbe, conobbimo, conosceste, conobbero. Decidere, to decide. Dipingere, to paint. Leggere, mettere, to put. Prendere, to take. Nascere, now that's a crazy one right there. Rispondere, scrivere, vedere, venire, vincere, vivere, volere. Look at that one. And that's it for these are irregulars only for first, third, and third. And then it follows the regular form. Now, I won't ask you these in class. I just want you to be familiar with this list so you can recognize them. So this is the passato remoto. I hope this helps.